Hello and welcome to this section of the course where we will talk about AWS Security, Identity and Access Management or IAM. In this section you will learn how can AWS IAM helps you to manage users and their access to your AWS environment. We will introduce the fundamental concepts of IAM users, groups, roles, permissions, as well as managing security credentials such as access keys, passwords, and MFA devices. IAM overview. What is AWS IAM? AWS Identity and Access Management helps you to specify who can take what actions on which resources. AWS IAM is a web service for securely controlling access to AWS services. It enables you to control who can do what in your AWS account. With IAM, you can centrally manage users, groups, roles, and permissions that control which AWS resources, users, and applications can access. AWS IAM provides many features. The following are some of them. It provides a shared access to your AWS account, meaning that you can grant other people permissions to administer and use resources in your AWS account without having to share your password or access key. It provides a granular permissions, meaning that you can grant different permissions to different people for different resources. With IAM, you can use the multi-factor authentication or MFA, meaning that you can add two-factor authentication to your account and to individual users for extra security. With MFA, you or your users must provide not only a password or access key to work with your account, but also a code from a specially configured device. With AWS IAM, we have the Identity Federation, meaning that you can allow users who already have passwords elsewhere to get temporary access to your AWS account. AWS IAM is integrated with many AWS services. And finally, AWS IAM is a free-to-use service. It is a feature of your AWS account offered at no additional charge. You will be charged only for use of other AWS products by your IAM users. You can work with AWS Identity and Access Management in any of the following ways. The first way is using the AWS Management Console. The console is a browser-based interface to manage IAM and AWS resources. The second way is using the command line interface or the CLI. We can use the AWS command line tools to issue commands at the system's command line to perform IAM and AWS tasks. Using the command line can be faster and more convenient than the console. The command line tools are also useful when building scripts that perform AWS tasks. Lastly, we can use the AWS SDK. AWS provides SDKs or software development kits that consists of libraries and sample code for various programming languages and platforms such as Java, Python, Ruby, .NET, iOS, Android, and so on. The SDKs provide a convenient way to create programmatic access to IAM and AWS.